Smuggling.
Prevent what? Prevent smuggling.
Smuggling.
Prevent corruption, correct? Ilan taon ka na sa customs?
Sir, I'm 38 years in the service, Your Honor.
Ikaw ba nagpapasok ka ng mga ukay-ukay, ng mga damit na second hand?
Opo.
Papasok ka, di ba? Bakit nakakapasok yung ganong illegal? Bakit? Bakit hindi nyo nakikita? Bakit nakatakip ang mga mata ng customs official? Major Cascolan, bawal yan.
Yes, sir.
Bawal yan, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Pero nakakapasok.
Yes, Your Honor.
Anong ginagawa nyo? Anong ginagawa nyo? Meron po tayo itong customs police? Meron ba?
I believe we did not invite a representative from the Customs Police.
I would like to make a motion that we, next hearing we had, that we should invite the customs police.
We do, yun, meron pala.
Ayun pala, meron pala.
Can you please come forward and identify yourself, sir? Dito na lang. Take a seat.
Enforcement.
Have you taken your oath?
Yes, sir.
Camilo Cascolan.
Yes.
How are you
Pwede
related
po ba
to
ako
the
magtanong?
former, the late General Cascolan?
Sir is my younger brother.
Oh.
Okay, sige. So, Congressman Benny
Just would like to ask the question, ano ang tungkulin nyo dito sa pinag-uusapan natin?
So the function of the the ESS actually is to prevent smuggling.
Prevent what? Prevent smuggling.
Smuggling.
Prevent corruption, correct?
Yeah, as a consequence, Your Honor,
Prevent yung lagay, correct?
Again, Your Honor.
Prevent yung lagay. Corruption yun eh.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ilan taon ka na sa customs?
Sir, I'm 38 years in the service, Your Honor.
In customs?
Yes, sir.
38 in customs.
Yes,
So
sir.
alam mo lahat ng nangyayari dyan. If you do not answer us right, I am going to file a resolution to investigate the Bureau of Customs. Right?
I will try my best to answer all your questions, Your Honor.
Si Chair ko.
Okay, sige. Thank you, Congressman Abante.
Bakit ka nag-reach out to Davao Group? Nag-i-smuggle ka ba? Yun ang tanong ko, bakit? Ibig sabihin, kung talagang legal ang pinapasok mo, di ba? Bakit ka nag-reach out Davao Group?
Kasi po, tama po yun, sinasabi nyo. Mga misdeclared siya, underdeclared po. Katulad nga po ng sinabi ko, kung
Ibig sabihin, meron kang misdeclared, underdeclared. Correct?
Yes po.
Kaya nag-reach out ka sa Davao Group.
Yes po, Your
Tama? O tanong ha? Ikaw ba nagpapasok ka ng mga ukay-ukay, ng mga damit na second hand?
Opo.
Papasok ka, di ba? O, Major Cascolan, bawal yan.
Yes, sir.
Bawal yan, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Pero nakakapasok.
Yes, Your Honor.
Anong ginagawa nyo? Anong ginagawa nyo?
Actually, Your Honor, we apprehend these shipments, but there are so many ways, Your Honor, of hiding this.
Ang daming,
Yes, Your
ang
Honor.
daming ukay-ukay dito sa Metro Manila. Bawal ipasok yan. Merong,
Very true, Your Honor.
sandali lang. Merong directive ang WHO sapagkat health hazard yan.
Very true, Your Honor.
Ngayon,
And
ano itong tanong ko ha? Bakit nakakapasok sa customs yan?
Sir.
Pagkatapos mo sagutin yan,
Yes, sir.
I want the attorney from customs to answer me on that.
Sir, actually, the okay that's coming in.
Okay lang ang puso ko.
Yes, sir. Comes
Malakas ang puso ko.
Yes, sir. Sir, it comes from many ports. It's not only the ports in Manila, but also ports in Mindanao and the Visayas.
Salamat. Salamat. You've been honest with me. Ang tanong ko ganito, with indulgence of Congressman Sia, bakit nakakapasok yung ganong illegal? Bakit? Bakit hindi nyo nakikita? bakit nakatakip ang mga mata ng customs official?
First of all, Your Honor, okay can be declared as bed sheets, used bed sheets, used shoes. What is prohibited, Your Honor, is used clothing.
Major
So it-
Cascolan,
and-
that can be declared, but you know for a fact that they are not new.
Yes, Your Honor.
If you go to every store that has ukay-ukay, you know for a fact that there are no bed sheets there. There is nothing new. What
Yes.
I'm saying right now is this. Ito binanggit na ni Mark Taguba, umami na siya. Umami na siya kasi tinanong kanina ni sino yun, na kung ano ang laman ng container di ba? Sinabi mo kanina, Mark, na ito ay mga, ano sabi mo kanina?
Mga general merchandise.
General merchandise. Ngayon, inamin mo na nagpapasok ka ng mga ukay-ukay. Correct?
Yes po.
Okay. Ilang container ang pinapasa mo ukay-ukay?
Yun po. Hindi ko po alam kung pwede nilang ipasok yan kahit saang container doon.
Right. Sinong nagbubukas ng container?
Sa Bureau of
Meron niyang customs police, correct?
Yes po.
Merong official ng customs yan, correct?
Yes po.
Ayan. Nakikita yan. Binubuksan yan. Di ba?
Pero
Oo. Kaya ka nag-reach out sa Davao Group sapagkat alam mo na pag binuksan yan, ipagbabawal niya ilabas, correct?
yes po.
Nag-reach out ka sa Davao Group para hindi na buksan ang mga container na yan. O kung buksan man yan, pikit ang mga mata na nagbukas. Tama ako?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Yun.
Nasa X-ray. Kaya nakakalusot, no? Nandun sa color coding system ninyo. It's yellow, red, at saka green. Tama po. O sagutin nyo ako. Kayo nakakaalam nito. Tama. Yellow, red, at saka green. May super green pa
Sir,
pala.
actually, sir, just to explain, sir, the color system of the Bureau of Customs. In the computerized system of the Bureau of Customs, we have therein what they say as the enforcement screen, where the parameters for selecting green, red, and yellow, orange shipments are.
Tanong ko is, meron green, red, and yellow lanes. Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Kasi nandun ang sikreto.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kung nakinig po kayo sa sagot ni Mr. Taguba kanina doon sa mga katanungan, pag yellow-red, ang dadaanan mas marami. Pag green lane, mas kokonti yung dadaanan. Di ba, Mr. Taguba? Yun ang sagot mo kanina.
Yes po,
Kahit
Your Honor.
palis-alis ako, nakikinig ako doon sa kabila kasi nandun yung TV.
Yes po.
Yun ang sagot mo kanina
Opo.
Di ba? Na kung minsan yung green lane, 3 lang ang dadaanan. Hindi na dadaanan yung entry processing unit at saka assessment division.
Tama po.
Tama? Pero kung yellow at saka red, dadaanan yun.
Yes po. Your Honor.
Yes, nandun ang kuwan sekreto. Dahil kung gustong palusutin ng mga taga-customs, idadaan sa green lane o kaya super green lane. Tama, Mr. Chair? Yes. Ayun naman, oo. Kaya, legal man o illegal, may tara. Tama?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Yeah. Kasi gusto ng customs na lahat may tara.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Now, that brings us to the issue, maski lahat ng mga kagamitan, mga agricultural products, tumataas ang presyo dahil dyan sa tara system na yan. Kasi ipapasa lahat dun sa hanggang sa consumer Di ba? Minention kanina ni Mr. Guban, yung rice. Kaya nga mataas ang presyo ng rice dahil pinapasa lahat. Kung saan dadaanan yon from Vietnam, halimbawa, pagdating dito sa customs, may illegal fees, may legal fees. Tara yun yung illegal. Tapos, ipapasa naman ng mga importer doon sa wholesaler. Yung wholesaler, ipapasa sa retailer. Down the line. Kaya, kung hindi maalis yung sistema na yan, ay yung presyo pa rin nandyan. Now, would you agree with that, Mr. Guban and Mr. Taguba?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Major Cascolan, would you agree with that also?
I agree, Your Honor.
You agree. Attorney, you agree with that? Yes, kasi logical yung aking sinasabi, di ba, Attorney? Tama.
Your Honor, Your Honor, I cannot. No personal knowledge.
Alin?
I have no personal knowledge.
You have been with customs for how many years? Huh?
5, Your Honor.
I've never been with customs and I know this. Attorney, you want me to cite you in contempt?
No, Your Honor.
Oh, do you answer me properly? Do you know that?
Your Honor, I've heard of that, Your Honor, but personally, Your Honor, I'm with,
So personally, you do not know, but you have heard of it.
yes, Your Honor.
Now, if you two, Major Cascolan and Attorney Boko, have heard of it, what are you doing about it?
Your Honor, if somebody will complain, Your Honor, there is an investigation that is being
So if
conducted.
there's no complainant, you wouldn't move. You wouldn't do anything. Is that what you're trying to tell this committee?
Not necessarily, Your Honor.
I beg your pardon?
Not necessarily, Your Honor.
Not necessarily. So dapat may gagawin kayo.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kasi
yes, Your Honor.
organisasyon yun na yan
Yes,
eh.
Your Honor.
Di ba? And yet you cannot tell me that you cannot or you're doing something about it.
Your Honor, we are doing something about it.
Like what?
Your Honor, we are constantly reviewing our policies, Your Honor, our systems, Your Honor, to
Attorney,
minimize that.
sabi ko nga eh, malapit na ako mawala dito sa mundo. Hanggang ngayon, yung pa rin ang report na natatanggap ko. Even when I was still in the service. Diba? It's still the same. The same. Si Mr. Taguba nga 6 years na nawala sa custom. So he does not know what changes happen. Pero sa tingin ko, sa nakikita niya at naririnig ngayon, walang pagbabago. Di ba, Mr. Taguba? Yes.